Hello everyone. We have the bag set up. We are going to do a review of it, how I have it. Okay. Let me bring the camera back just a little bit that we get a better view of it. All right. Wrenches. And I did this for a reason. We went with the Harbor Freight colored ratchet wrench setup. It's 10 to 17, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. We have the adjustable wrench. Now, I'll be the first person to tell you I am not a man that uses an adjustable wrench, but I figured it'd be good in there. We have the Pittsburgh ratchet pry bar, or excuse me, ratchet breaker bar. I guess you can use it in the pry. The wrenches are lifetime warranty. The ratcheting breaker bar is lifetime warranty. Here we have the Pittsburgh pliers. We have dikes. We have channel locks. Needle noses. Small pair of alignments and regular flat nose pliers. In this one, we have a set of hex. Then we have from 10 to 18 mil, 19 mil, excuse me. Oh, but it's 10 to 19 mil. And here's the 10. As you see, it's colored. So if you pull the 10 socket and it's purple, you know the wrench is purple, or you have the wrench, you know you need a socket. It's color, that's the way color code goes. We have a set of flip sockets for the tires. 21 and 19 mil, 13 16ths, 3/4. We have the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 ratchet. We have a 1/2 inch swivel, a 1/2 inch nubby. Then we have the 3 inch and a 1/2 inch also for extensions. Then we go to this one. We have a couple wire brushes. We have a test light. We have a screwdriver. We have a bunch of bits for it. Phillips, stars, 1/4 inch adapter. We have, I believe, from 6 mil to 10 mil. And I would think it's 5/16 to 7/16 maybe. A 1/2 inch. Your flatheads and your Phillips. Mini pry bar. Your knife. Mini pick set. Then we'll go up here. We have a roll of tape. We go in this one. We have our hexes. So basically, this will get you back on the road if you have any issues. This is a great little setup. Is it a perfect setup? No, but it's a great little setup. This is not for you to pull up on a job site and repair somebody's car. This is for your car breaks down, or you're cruising down the road and somebody's pulled over, some old lady having car problems. There you go. This is what you do. You can add to this kit all you want. It's not overwhelming heavy. It rolls right up into a ball, kind of sort of ball. Put the clips in. Put the clips in. You're good to go. That's that. This is a nice little kit. I think it's a great little kit. I have about $175 invested in this kit, give or take. I will sell these kits for $250 plus shipping and handling. And if you want to know why I got to charge a little extra, for one, it takes my time, takes my gas. Harbor Freight is an hour from me. Max Off-Road Recovery sells a less than qualified kit than this. They sell cheap Chinese tool, no names that you cannot get a warranty on. It's less of a quality tool than Harbor Freight's. For $350, this bag is going to go $250, and it has more than Matt's off-road bag. This will include a hammer. I have not decided what hammer is going in this bag yet. What size ball peen? It would be a claw hammer or what? I have not decided what I'm putting in this bag yet. That's why it's not in here. But like I said, for $250, I don't think you can go wrong for this to have it in your car. No, it will not repair everything, but it will do a lot. Again, this is a car kit. This is not your big toolbox in your garage. This will get you out of a jam. You know, if something happens with your brakes, this might do with it. A brake line, yes. Of course, you'd have to have a line, whatever. Flat tire, yes, except for the jack. It could do a lot of repairs. Again, it's not perfect. It's a great little kit, though. All right, folks, I forgot to show you the little kit. Later.